Hey everyone, welcome back to another campground tour. We're going to be going around Venture Out RV Resort located in Cudjoe Key. Straight ahead is the pool area and hot tub and picnic area. We're already in the resort. I'll show you the entrance here in a few moments. So the resort is located on Cudjoe Key. It's a gated community. As we go around here to the right, you'll see a really nice boat ramp with the ability to purchase gasoline. Straight ahead in that peach colored building is the store for the resort area. So we are already in the campground, as you can tell. So I'll show you the entrance and exit, which is straight ahead. If you see the white truck ahead of us, he is going out the exit, and to the left where that gate is the entrance. It is gated. They do have security here 24 hours, and they man that gate. On the left are tennis courts and pickleball courts. And up ahead on the left is the community center. I know they have like bingo and yoga and activities like that. I'm not really going over all the campsite numbers. This is a large RV resort. There's 659 lots, and it's not all for RVs. As you can see, there's small cottage homes, I'll call them. Park model trailers, and then there's empty lots for RVs. Also, not everything is able to rent. I'd say half of the lots in the resort are for RVs, and only maybe half or 3/4 of those lots are able for renting. But this video will give you kind of an idea of the layout of the land. It is quite a big park, but once you see part of it, it sort of represents the whole park. It has great access to water. If boating, kayaking, it surrounds the park. And here in a minute you'll be able to see the water through the support systems of the house up here straight ahead. So if you're a boater, this is a great place to stay. We were here in February, and the weather was a little chilly, but it's a great place to stay. We had plenty of room in our lot. It's kind of tight, but the RV lots are angled, and it wasn't too difficult to back in. And that's about it for this tour. It's like I said, once you see one street, it's all about the same. So as I get ready to back into our lot, I want to thank you for watching, and stay tuned for another campground tour.